are always looking for success, for achievements. Elithair hopes that you had a successful year. These are our achievements. The largest hair clinic in the world, 18,000 square meters, 13 floors, the place where lives are changed. 3 days is enough to give you a smile that lasts for decades. A hair transplant without pain, just a dream for many, reality for Elithair patients. With our exclusive Sleep Deep method, we promise you 0% pain and 100% success. With Elithair, your treatment begins at home. With the NeoFuse set, we were able to treat thousands of people again this year with a top-notch quality. A simple application at home before the start of your trip ensures up to 30% better results. The Elithair app. With it, our doctors are in your pocket 24/7. No matter what question mark arises after the operation, the answer is always ready to hand. This allows us to accompany you for life after the operation. Elithair pre-test system. 6 steps that we only have in this form. The Elithair pre-test system is the preliminary examination with us, in which we analyze your skin, hair, and blood circulation down to the smallest detail in 6 steps in order to enable an individual surgery tailored for you. Our own research team, consisting of doctors and experts, work continuously to revolutionize the world of hair transplantation, and we were successful many times. But our greatest success yet, your satisfaction. Elithair has reached the milestone of 100,000 happy patients this year, and we look forward to welcoming even more people next year. Maybe you too. Full hair has no catch. Tick your box.